So hello guys, and welcome back to another video from this channel, and today we're going to be talking about Pepe Fork. So this is a cryptocurrency that has recently pumped a lot in the past. It's also called Pork as in the coin name, and we're going to be going over the recent analytics of this coin, and we'll be talking about what the future of this coin may look like. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we do that, do make sure to click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are now over at our screen and we are on coinmarket.com. If we just look at our overview of what today's market is looking like, we are down in overall market cap of around 7.33% in the past 24 hours, and our feed and greed index is looking in the neutral range at a 56. So let's just get right into the analyzation, and let's just look up pork, and this will take us straight to this coin. Now we are on this coin. You might notice that there is a lot of zeros in the price, but we will be just cutting out the zeros and just talking about in this number range so we don't get confused. And if we even look at the daily time frame, we are up by a huge number of around 163%, and that too at the current rate. Now if we look at the left panel right here, our market cap is around $195 million. Now this is unconfirmed and we are not sure what this could be, and our total supply and our circulating supply is still unconfirmed, so we won't be talking about heavily on that. And if we look at our volume right here, we are trading in the 24 hours of around 66.59 million, up around 21% from yesterday. So even yesterday we saw some huge gains. So today we will be talking about this coin. Now if we just take a look at our daily time frame here, if we remove all the zeros, we were starting off at around 2003, so 2003 in the beginning of the 24 hours, and throughout the day we saw constant green movement, not even a single red point here, and we climbed all the way up to 61.24, so almost more than 300%. So that was really nice to see, and we did almost 200%. And we did see some huge numbers right here. We did dip a little back down, so we are back down in the $5,000 range, 5,000 range, but we did reach highs of around 6,000 just a couple hours ago, and we are still up by huge numbers in pork. So this is still unconfirmed, and we can see not much data is available on these exchanges yet, but we are still to see more growth in pork. Now this is a fairly new cryptocurrency. The market isn't really on it yet, and the confidence is fairly decent on this, but we are more to see more adoption of this coin. Now let's head over to our 7-day chart and let's look at this crazy number. Now if we look at the 7-day chart, we can see in the past 7 days we are up by a crazy 482% at the current trading price, and that is huge numbers what we are seeing right now. Even if we look at the price 7 days ago, we can see an extra 0.7562. so this is where we were at 7 days ago. Now we were in the green for all the 7 days, and we saw great movement throughout the whole week, reaching all the way up to 6,000. Now this is without the zero, and here we have to add a zero in the front because this is even a lower number than what we are at right now. So great positive movement we saw in pork, and we saw even higher numbers at the peak, but we are just down a little bit from the peak of this coin, and this is very hyped right now. If we look at the 1 month, we might be even more blown away. Now this is just a fairly new coin. It was listed yesterday on coinmarket.com, so we only have data from around 30 January 2024. So ever since then, we are up by a huge number, and we are to see possible more growth in pork. Now this is a meme coin, and meme coins do have quick bullish potential. Now obviously they don't have long-term potential, so there is no use of holding them for long term, but we are seeing this coin getting really hyped, and we are more to see people getting more attracted to this in the next couple of days and talking about pork. And more people coming to this coin, the more volume and the more market cap will we have, and the more the price will drive. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about what pork is looking like. Now it's only been just 1 day on being listed on any exchange, and we only have data until the 30th of January. So we took a look at what the data we have. We are up by huge numbers on this coin ever since it got listed, and we are to see some more huge numbers very soon as more and more people come into this cryptocurrency. So that was about it for this video. If you are new to this channel, I also do daily crypto live streams on this channel, talking about the daily news of what any cryptocurrency is looking like, any recent news that has come out, and anything to keep you updated on the crypto community. So do make sure to tune in daily on this channel on the live streams. And I also do long form content like this on this channel, keeping you updated about any recent news, any recent signals, and anything related to the crypto community. So do check that out also. And if you like this video, please do make sure to click the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below and on what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.